How to use YouTube Hype feature step by step. To use the YouTube's Hype feature, you simply have to go ahead and then launch the YouTube desktop application or YouTube Studio desktop application. Then click on the setting gear icon in the bottom left corner and click the channel from the sidebar. Then select the Advanced Settings tab, scroll down to the Hype section. Now you simply have to check the box next to the Let Viewers Hype My Content and then click Save. You can also now track your Hype Analytics by opening the Analytics tab. Or what you can also do is to use this as a viewer, you simply have to go ahead and launch the YouTube application on your device. And then once you open the YouTube application itself, you simply have to go ahead and open or view any video from the creator you like. Once you open their video, you should be able to find the hype option or button over here. You simply have to tap on it, and that is how you can hype any creator. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.